Law enforcement swarmed the VA Medical Center Monday after a shooting. Officials say there are armed police on campus 24 hours a day.
So on a normal day, we have the chief of police, we have one captain, and we have 2 police officers. Now, during the shooting situation, 6 additional officers from our staff arrived on campus to assist with the search investigation and eventually the apprehension. In addition to, we had local FBI forces, Dayton police.
Campus police train 4 times a year for active shooter situations like this.
Last year, we had an annual review of our security forces, and the determination was that their training was highly satisfactory, is actually the official categorization.
Within 10 minutes of the shooting, VA officials say employees were alerted 3 different ways.
The first is a public broadcast system which airs over the entire campus, not just our main facility, to let them know active shooter situation. Everyone needs to lock down in their current location, and that's primarily for the employees. And when the employees see veterans, patients walking by, of course, pull them into to your location.
In addition, an email blast was sent to all employees, and more than 500 also received a text alert, which is an optional system. Police also went door to door checking on people and informing them of the shooting. All of the VA Medical Center's security procedures and policies will now be reviewed.
The initial review shows that everyone really did their job. I'm talking everyone from our police forces, local law enforcement, and just our regular staff, and even the veterans acted professionally, calmly, understood the situation immediately, and reacted appropriately.
And VA officials tell me they're already working on plans to update their security camera system, as well as expand that text messaging service to non-VA employees. Reporting live in Dayton, Jackie Sprague, 2 News, working for you.